Hey everyone! In this video, we're walking through how to use Suno AI to make really good beats easily. Suno is one of the most creative AI music tools available right now, and we're breaking down exactly how to use it to produce high-quality instrumentals that sound like they came from a professional studio. After signing up at Suno.ai, we'll see the main dashboard where we can create songs instantly. We just type in a prompt describing the vibe we want, something like a chill R&B beat with lo-fi drums and warm synths. Then select instrumental mode so there are no vocals. Suno processes it in seconds and generates two full variations. We can play both, remix or regenerate if we want new patterns. What makes Suno great is how it matches rhythm, layering, and melody naturally, giving us a complete mix that's ready to export. Once we're happy, we click download to save the beat. The best part is that Suno keeps improving its music generation models weekly, which means every beat sounds cleaner and more dynamic. So if you're looking to make custom beats without spending hours producing manually, Suno AI is one of the best and simplest tools to use right now. This has been How to Learn, keeping smart and simple and scam free.